guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Heather. I'm a homeschooling mom of 3 kids. Today is going to be a vlog day. It is the day of the fair. It's the first day of the fair. We go every year. I've been going to the same fair since I was really young, and we started a tradition when Emma was 3 months old to take a picture in front of the giant pumpkins every year. I think we've missed a couple of years, especially around COVID and everything, so we're excited to go today. Last year, I was wearing the exact same shirt, I think, and I just realized that. So I don't think I posted anything last year, so maybe it won't be that big of an issue, but we're getting ready to go. The fair is already opened. We have to go and get some water and everything into the car, and then we will be on our way. We are almost at the fair. You excited? Yeah. Jack's not feeling great today, unfortunately. And Lucy also isn't feeling great.
I wasn't feeling great last week.
Yeah, but we're all excited. What is everybody's favorite thing?
Ice cream.
Yeah, the maple ice cream is definitely the favorite. Although it's a tie for the maple ice cream and the fries for me. Because
No, you gotta put the fries in the ice cream.
That's awful. Anyways, so we're almost at the fair and everybody's excited. It's something that we look forward to every year, especially the creepy looking dolls. That's always a highlight for me and Jack. We are here at the fair, walking around. Nothing's really open yet. We're looking for the pumpkins. We're hoping that this year they're actually big, giant pumpkins, because the past couple
year it's just been regular size.
Yeah, last year the giant pumpkin was not big. It was like a regular jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. So we're going to go and do pictures there, and then just kind of walk around and see animals. These are the wee giant pumpkins. What do you think, Leo?
This is a camper, or like, is that what it is? A camper or a trailer? So I want to buy one of these as my house because I can just leave it in the driveway at our current house.
Yeah.
So I don't have to move out. Also, they're a lot cheaper than a regular house, and I don't have to pay like rent and stuff. And then I can like travel around. But this is perfect. This is
That's
like,
cool. The kitchen's on the outside.
This is like, it has a kitchen. It has like, it's me size.
Are you going, Jackie? No? You can do it, Emma. I have faith in you. Right now. I love all of the old-timey stuff, all of the quilts that they have. All kinds of fun stuff. We got Matt filming behind us. Cheese press.
then I can run into you.
This year I branched out and I got the maple walnut iced coffee float for instead of my typical maple ice cream. I'm really excited to try it. How is it, guys?
Good. Yum. Last year I got bacon, but they didn't have it this time, so I just decided to go classic.
Classic.
And then Mom branched out.
I did branch out. How is it?
So good.
You were like chopping down on your.
Dad.
You were like the last person to get your cone.
I feel like I didn't get as much.
So I just had that float. I didn't eat the whole thing. Matt's having the rest of it right now. It was amazing. So good. Definitely recommend. Actually, I think it was last year that I first had a maple latte down at
Last
the
year?
coffee shop.
Oh yeah.
And you'd think living in Maine we would have done maple coffee before. It was never on my radar. Was it on your radar?
No. It is now.
It is now, yeah. So definitely good. The maple iced coffee with the maple ice cream soft serve and the maple syrup on the top.
And maple coated walnuts. So
And
like
maple.
it's everything is maple.
So good.
It's like we are so stereotypical.
It's really good.
I feel like I'm a hummingbird. Sticking her tongue into a flower.
How's that sugar cone treating you?
Good.
Good. It's got a plastic bag over the torso.
Look.
So this is the house with the creepy dolls. We're going to see if they've added to the collection, right, Jack?
The annual attraction of the creepy dolls.
Creepy dolls. Highlight. She's in mourning. I feel like we've not come into this room before. Have we been able to walk into this room before?
See, this is nice. Like, I don't mind.
Yes. Look at this one, Jack.
See, I think there's slide into that area.
What are we gonna do with these? They're tiny. I don't. I don't think I've seen one with like 6 horns before.
That one's like
Okay, so it's about 2 o'clock and we are heading on out. Jack's not, we got the cotton candy. Jack's not feeling good. He's on Matt's back right now, so we're gonna head home. He's exhausted. And we'll call it a wrap on the fair for this year. Fun times. Back in the car, how's everybody doing?
good.
Jack's tired.
I'm studying my new home.
You're studying your new home. We found that really cool RV, or it's not an RV, what is it, like a travel trailer?
Like a
Mini travel trailer?
mini camper.
Mini camper. It was very cool. I was really excited about that. I'd like to look at those online. We got the cotton candy. We're leaving just when it's getting super busy and I'm feeling good about how our day was. I think it was a fun time. Okay guys, we are home. I just took a shower. I went for a nice long walk because it's beautiful out today. I have to take advantage of the sun while we have it. It has been so rainy this summer. So the fair is over for the year. We had a great time. Everybody had a good time. Jack was just really tired. He's kind of had a sore throat a little bit, or maybe dealing with allergies, which wouldn't surprise me because I've been having some allergy issues as well. Now we are home and I need to start getting ready for our second first day of school. We are having our second first day tomorrow. And I know that sounds silly. I did talk about this in some of my homeschooling videos already, my homeschool planning videos. The last 6-week session was mainly a slow start. We were in all of our subjects and we were making progress on the resources that we're using. And we did a few like not back to school type things, but tomorrow we are going to be getting all of our school supplies. I will do first day of school interviews, even though we've already been in school for 6 weeks already, mainly because the public school kids are going back this week. So it just makes sense to do some of those like first day of school pictures and those types of things a little bit later. And our pictures, we don't have the pretty chalkboards or anything like that. Most of the time, the kids are in a pile in their PJs on the floor reading books, and we kind of like it that way. So I need to get all of that stuff ready, get the kitchen cleaned up so that I can lay everything out tonight or in the morning. I will probably organize it tonight in my office, and then in the morning when I get up, I will put everything out. I had considered doing a homeschool plan for the week, but instead, I think I'm going to do reverse record keeping this week. I did that the first week of school as well, and that's mainly because I know that we have some other things going on this week, like when the public school kids are back in school, we're going to go to the coffee shop and we're going to do some other outside the house fun activities because all the kids are in school, just some of those types of things. And so I think instead I'm going to do reverse record keeping. I will film it this week, and so I'll just write down what we do each day in my planner and then kind of go over it with you so that you can get an understanding of what our second first week of school is like. Yes, so that's what I'm going to work on now. I made soup yesterday for dinner, so we have leftovers tonight. I do need to make a grocery list for tomorrow because we don't have any milk and I need a few other things at the store. So I'll probably have to do a grocery pickup in the morning at some point. But overall, we had a great day. I hope that you enjoyed coming along and seeing some of the farm fun. It is always fun for us to go to the fair. It's a nice tradition that we have to kind of end the summer on a high note, and it was really funny to see the pumpkins again this year. It could be the amount of rain that we got. It could be that people are just not growing those giant pumpkins again. I will see if I can find, I know that I have a picture of Emma when she was 3 months old and the pumpkins were huge. I have tons of pictures of the kids with the pumpkins over the years, and they have gotten really small the past few years. So anyways, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.